For this video, we're going to test out the powder pigments. I have two colors here. This is supposed to be a black candy and tropic orange. So these were pretty cheap. These were like 11 bucks each on eBay, 5 grams. It says to mix the 5 grams with 1 quart of finished product. It says to put it in the reducer first, dissolve it, and then add whatever other part you're going to use. So I'm using these half pint jars. So I mixed up. I do 1-to-1 with inner coat and reducer on candies. So there's a little less film buildup. I like doing it 1-to-1. So I got 4 ounces of reducer, 4 ounces of inner coat. And since this is 8 ounces, it says this is to mix with 32 ounces, a quart. I tried to pour about a quarter of it in here, and I already have it all mixed up. And then I did the same thing on the orange. I feel like this is the cheapest option if it works good. For 11 bucks, mixing a quart of ready to spray, that's pretty cheap. So here is the black. And I feel like it's like some other blacks. It looks pretty black, but if you look on the jar, it has a bluish, purplish tint to it. So I'm going to spray some out and see how black it is, how much of the blue purple tint comes through. Okay, we got the airbrush filled up. Got 2 little projects. I've got a little light switch cover and a mailbox that I'm going to do some lace and a type of lace. So just spray it over here, give it 1 coat, and see how dark this is. I feel like it does have a bluish purple tint to it. I think that would go away after we put like a candy over it. But if you're going to leave it just like it was, it would definitely need another coat. I think that's going to work pretty good. Just has a slight purple bluish hue to it. I think with 1 more coat that'll go away. I'll try it on a pinstripe around that light switch cover and see if it gets darker. I think I'm going to wait and do 1 more coat on there. Putting a candy over it, it would be perfect. Okay, let's see what we got. This is the light switch cover. I think it turned out good. That's 2 light coats. That looks good. Same thing, that's 2 light coats over the lace. It's an airbrush. I really like that. Even after 2 coats, the purplish blue tint pretty well went away. Once you stick some candy over that, that's going to be awesome.
Alright, so let's try this tropic orange candy. We're putting this over the black candy that we were showing before. So here's the first coat. You can see it covers pretty good. I really like this color. Okay, we got 1 coat down. Let's put a second coat on, see what it looks like. With most candies, it takes usually at least 2 to 3 coats, sometimes more, sometimes 4 or 5. You want to do it in light coats, you don't want to do it thick. You can see even on the second coat of here, it's really starting to show the orange. I'm definitely going to do at least 1 more coat after this, but I would think 3 coats is going to do it. This color covers pretty good, and it's nice and bright.
Okay, so finished with the tropic orange. That's the Kandy Koncentrate from the powder. Really happy with that. That's 3 coats. It's good.
Alright, so I have this project finished. So here's the colors after clear coat, and it's all done out in the sunlight. This is the tropic orange, and underneath there is the candy black. So this section here, this is the candy black under yellow, and there it is compared to this shadow right here is a straight black. So there's the comparison on the candy to a regular black base coat. And same thing on the back here. Everything through this lace was the candy black compared to the outside straight black base coat. And then under here, the candy black. Under the tropic orange. I really like both of these. They sprayed good, they mixed easy. They're the cheapest option.